안녕하세요, 여러분. Welcome back to the Korean alphabet Hangul series. In our previous video, we learned about basic consonants and basic vowels in Hangul. Today, we'll continue our journey by exploring double consonants. If you missed the previous video, you can find the link in the description below. In our next video, we'll learn about double vowels in Hangul, so be sure to stay tuned and keep learning with me. Now let's start. There are 5 double consonants in Korean, which are made by combining 2 basic consonants together. When pronouncing Korean double consonants, you should create a more tense sound in your throat compared to single consonants. The first double consonant is 쌍기역. 2 기역s are combined to make 쌍기역 and produce the sound 끄. Now let's compare the 기역 and 쌍기역. 그, 끄, 가, 까. The second double consonant is 쌍디귿. 2 디귿s are combined to make 쌍디귿 and produce the sound 뜨. Let's compare the 디귿 and 쌍디귿. 드, 뜨, 다, 따. The third double consonant is 쌍비읍. 2 비읍s are combined to make 쌍비읍 and produce the sound 뿌. Let's compare the 비읍 and 쌍비읍. 브, 뿌, 바, 빠. The fourth double consonant is 쌍시옷. 2 시옷s are combined to make 쌍시옷 and produce the sound 스. Let's compare the 시옷 and 쌍시옷. 스, 스, 사, 싸. The fifth double consonant is 쌍지읒. 2 지읒s are combined to make 쌍지읒 and produce the sound 쯔. Let's compare the 지읒 and 쌍지읒. 즈, 쯔, 자, 짜. Now let's practice each double consonant by pairing them with the basic vowels. 까, 꺄, 꺼, 껴, 고, 교, 구, 규, 끄, 기, 따, 띠아, 떠, 띄어, 또, 띄오, 뚜, 듀, 뜨, 띠. 빠, 뼈, 뻐, 뼈, 뽀, 뾰, 뿌, 뷰, 뿌, 삐. 싸, 샤, 서, 셔, 소, 쇼, 수, 슈, 스, 시. 짜, 짜, 쩌, 쩌, 쪼, 쪼, 쭈, 쭈, 쯔, 찌. Okay, you've learned all the syllables on this chart. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing what we've covered today. In next video, we'll explore double vowels in Korean, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. 감사합니다.